beauties, and welcome back to my channel, Makeup by Ani. It's been a while. I was away from YouTube, but I'm here again for you. I had my third baby Maria and I'm back officially. I like to kind of clean the face before doing any makeup with micellar water, and this is just a regular micellar water. And this is a spray from Mario Badescu. It's a roll spray, so I want to hydrate the face before giving any foundation on it. I like to apply my eye base with some synthetic brush. Start with her eyebrows, and I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills products, and I also like kind of soften it up with some eyeshadows, and this is Anastasia Beverly Hills again. Actually, this is the course of my new makeup classes that I'm gonna start very soon. So you guys, you're gonna create the same look with me when you guys have the chance to be in my class. So here I'm taking some concealer and I'm kind of cleaning all the things underneath the eyebrows. Here I'm applying some brown eyeshadow, so I want to create a crease, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of copperish warm brown color, and I actually use Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette, which I highly recommend. It's really good palette. My blending brush, and I'm blending everything. Diriku, maman gortano. Maman gortano, what have you? So sorry guys, that was my boy. He likes to sing a lot, so let's get back to work. Clean with the base, the eyelid, so I want to do a little bit of more cut crease look. Apply some pigment, and then I start working with my pencil, and this is a brown pencil, and I'm gonna also blend all the pencil. So here I'm blending all the line, and also I apply the same eye pencil underneath the eyes. And now it's time to apply the eyelashes. I'm using the Cocoa lashes, but the name I don't remember. Different with lashes and without. And my favorite tool, this is actually a curler, but it's gonna curl her natural and the falsies together. For her face, I'm starting with a primer, and this is Laura Mercier Radiant Primer, and it will give a beautiful glow to her skin. With the primers, I always use my fingers. This is the foundation, and this is Makeup Forever HD foundation, and I'm gonna apply with dual fiber brush. I always like to blend with a wet beauty blender about 5 to 10 minutes into her skin, so it kind of like melt into her skin. So here I am contouring her face, but this is not a regular contour. This is my secret formula, which is kind of giving her a beautiful glow. And after this, I always go with a concealer. this is Tarte Shape Tape, my new favorite concealer. Color is light to medium, and after this I apply again the Shape Tape but in color light. The reason why I don't like to put the light color under her eyes because it will give a gray undertone. So when I was doing this makeup, I thought that nude lipstick will be very beautiful with this makeup. But then I realized that I want to change into more vibrant color, and I use the Huda Beauty Famous color. So let me guys know which color do you like more in this makeup look. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time. Yeah.